Pilibhit Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which Indian state? Uttar Pradesh. What is the collective noun for giraffes? Tower. Where does Asiatic wild ass is naturally found? Rann of Kutch. From where does male mosquitoes take their food? Sap of plants. Which fish can taste with its whole body? Catfish. Which living bird lays the world's largest egg? Ostrich. What is the largest of all living reptiles? The saltwater crocodile. Which birds is the state bird of 3 Indian states? Blue jay, Indian roller. The 3 states are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Odisha. How much water can be used by a camel in drinking in a single time? Up to 100 liter. Orangutan live on only 2 islands in the wild. Which are they? Borneo and Sumatra. Anglo-Nubian is a breed of which animal? Goat. The figures of which animals are found in the state emblem of India? Horse and bull. Which is the only animal in which the male gives birth their young? Seahorses. What is the scientific name of Bengal tiger? Panthera tigris. Which is the only species known to live forever? Turritopsis nutricula immortal jellyfish. Which is the world's largest rodent? Capybara. Which bird can turn head around to look backward? Owl. Lion is the national animal of which country? Netherlands. Where does one-horned rhino is found? India. Which mammal travels the furthest for its migration? Humpback whale. Niligiri Tahr is the state animal of which state? Tamil Nadu. What is the maximum running land speed of crocodile? 17 kmpl. Which part of the body is used by elephant to control the body temperature? Ear. Which is the largest in size among the subspecies of tiger? Siberian tiger. How many species of penguin are there across the southern hemisphere? 17.